Lakestone Love, the video series documenting the renovation of my personal home.
So I am on site now to meet with the framer, the architect, and the contractor. This project has basically been paused for 3 full days after already waiting maybe 3 or 4 weeks for framing to even start because they're framing questions. So real life to the plans there, I guess there's some discrepancies potentially. And we started investigating like reworking the whole HVAC system. With changes that we're making, it's just started to seem like maybe we need to just go ahead and kind of reassess that and run some new calcs. So it's looking like we're going to do that. And then the fear is that by framing to have 10-foot ceilings for the new space, we weren't leaving enough space above the rafters for the HVAC supply to run through. So anyway, it's always best to bring everybody in the team together when it's a decision-making time like this, and that's what we're doing today. There's been a lot of push on me, like, just let us frame it this way. The ceilings will be 9'6", it's only 6 inches. And I've been hard-headed about it, and so we met with the architect yesterday, and now we're all here today. So typical with construction, it's a lot of no's and let's try again. So I don't usually take no for an answer. This has just been another example of that.
More on that later. For now, let's focus on some interior site changes. So one of probably the most transformative things to have happened in the past week is widening these openings per plan. So this is opening to the dining room from the foyer, I'm standing in the foyer, and then the opening to the formal living room from the foyer. So raising these up to 8 feet high and increasing the width by about 1 foot or more. And I'm really pleased with it. It's really allowed a lot of the flow of natural light through the space, which I really wasn't even anticipating in the change. So that was a great surprise. But it is allowing, more open sight lines into both of these rooms from the foyer, where previously it was much more closed in. This opening to the ladies' lounge was a 6'8" opening. This opening into Chester's study is a 7-foot opening. All the other openings in the entire house are 7 feet, except this addition was built, I believe, in the 80s, and all the openings in the addition space are 6'8". So I am changing that. So what we're doing now is I'm going to take these doors to the study, put them on the ladies' lounge. Ladies' lounge doors are going on the nanny suite. So it's just like doors are being rotated all over the place here. Because I figured, Chester's study, this does not need doors. It's going to be more of like a little sitting room, bourbon room. It doesn't need doors. This does need doors. And then basically we put all the doors of the house. All of them have been put back in the master of the guest room. So I've been through with the contractor and the framer, and we measured doors and figured out what we could use where, because any new doors that we're adding at this point are going to be custom doors. So all the 6'8" doors in the house, they're going to go in the basement because we really need 6'8" doors there because of the ceiling height. And so then I took all the 7-foot doors and measured them. And I have a set of 7-foot doors. Check, 75 doors there. This will be a whole new door unit. That will actually be an 8-0 unit. The doors that were here were 6'8", so those are now gone. And I'll have a set of doors here existing from somewhere else in the house that we're going to use. So 7-foot opening here. So you can see the framer has framed this opening up. And now in this hallway to the master bedroom and master bathroom, there's a little linen closet. I did not have a door for this space, but I didn't want it to be the only door here that was still at 6'8". So I had the framer go ahead and frame it up. I had a door that would work for the master bathroom. I increased the opening width here because it was very narrow, I realized once we got through demo. So now we'll have I think it's a 2'6" or a 2'8" by 7-foot high door to the master bathroom. And then this is where this whole thing happened, where I started changing all the door heights. Is I was standing in the bathroom, got the shower, and there's going to be a header over the shower, and then we have the door to the water closet. It just looks like the tiniest little door you've ever seen, and it's 6'8". So then I was like, okay, we're going to have a 6'8", and a 6'8", and then a 7-foot, and then the window header is at 8 feet, so it was too much going on. So anyway, this door just looked so sad, and it looked like Corbett was standing under it, and it looked like he was about to hit his head. So I said, okay, all these doors, 7 feet. Then It started bleeding into Chester's closet, needing to be raised, and next thing you know, we've changed all the doors. So that is that.